Now to a breaking news alert for you. The high-speed winds not helping firefighters in Mount Juliet today either. That is where we find News 2's Chelsea Bime4. She is out there for us, where firefighters just extinguished a fire at a hotel. Chelsea.
Yeah, Alex, we're outside the Residence Inn off Mount Juliet Road. It is incredibly windy, and that is something that helped contribute to this fire earlier today. You can see back here there's 2 burned cars, some employees just now putting some cones out around it. But fire officials tell us the fire started near an exterior generator in a fenced-off area in the back corner of this hotel today. And these intense winds that we're feeling right now did not help. They spread the flames from the side of the building to those 2 cars we were just showing you, and to some landscaping along the side of the hotel. The fire department told us it looked a lot worse, though, than it turned out to actually be.
The wind obviously played a big proponent today. It got a hold of 2 vehicles that we think are employee vehicles. Right now, they're trying to review the tape to see what caused this fire. It could be one of a million things.
Now, no injuries were reported. The cause of the fire is still under investigation. Reporting live in Mount Juliet, Chelsea Bime4, News 2.